guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of March 9th. Just finished up the week of the 8th. Still have a few things to fill out on that week, but I wanted to go ahead and get started. This is just one of the one-page kits. It comes with these. If you choose to use them, I don't usually, but anyway, this is a one-page kit. I use it every week. I'm not going to be using additional floral today. I did pull a bunch of my silver foil that I'm gonna need to use. I do have some tweezers here if needed. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by putting in the bottom washi here, if I can get it lifted. My fingers are really slippery because they're dry, and it kind of makes for a difficult, situation when you're trying to lift up these little buttery stickers, because they are very buttery and they're just so, it's just so well done. I love using these each week. I think they're so fun. And so let's see here. I'm gonna put this one, oh, not quite. Let's get it down straight, Kelly. So how are you guys doing? Are you ready for spring or what? Lord knows I am so ready for spring. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this week and my date stickers or days of the week. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm just so excited for the beginning of spring. This coming weekend is, I believe, on the 14th is when we spring forward. So don't forget that, to change your clocks if they don't already change on their own. I only have one that I have to change. The rest of mine are kind of, I guess they've got an antenna in them. Heck, I don't know, but they change on their own. So that's always a good thing. Okay, I just love this for this time of the year. The silver with the cooler tone florals, I think they're so pretty. I have been getting out and trying to get some sun. I am peeling really bad, so forgive me if you can see how crusty I am. I have been moisturizing like crazy, but between the sun and the wind and the salt air that I am close by to, it's kind of hard to stay hydrated. I have started a new skincare situation. I've been trying out some new moisturizer and a new serum. I'm planning on trying some other things too, but yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. Okay, I want to go in with one of these. This right here on this week. I just want to put the date in. So I think I'm just gonna layer like this right here. Let's see. Yeah, let's try that. And then I'm gonna go with this. I didn't get my tweezers like I thought, but I can put that right there like that. I think that looks pretty cute the way that came around. Okay, let's go in. Let me find some additional, I tell you what, these are not tweezers for this, but I can use it for this. That was Sweet Bella XOXO, I believe, and that was Rose Color Days. I'm gonna use from the Pretty Pink Co. I'm just gonna use one of these little dividers. They're lacy looking and very feminine, which I absolutely love. So let's just go in here and see about laying it down. Just like that. Let's go in with the checklist and things like that first. So I'm going to do a checklist here for the week, just an overall general sort. Okay, let me grab my other tweezers. Yes, took me a minute to find them. Everything is sort of misplaced between boxing up and moving and trying to find things that you're used to just having quick at hand. And I don't have anything quick at hand at the moment. I already know that I'm probably going to be late in the week uploading this, because I don't know when I'm going to get the time to actually edit to put it up. So I guess we'll just have to see when it goes up. Hopefully before midweek at least. I can really only put the things in here right now that I absolutely know for sure. House for sale situation is going. Yard sales. There's just a little bit of everything going on, guys. Just a little bit of everything. So, you know, it's hard to keep up with where everything is if it's either boxed or tubbed up or, you know, that sort of thing. So, yeah, there's that. Okay, we have our checklist. Now, I have this which says planning sesh. I'm going to go ahead and put that down for Monday, and then I'm also going to put a little, I've got like a little thing right here. Let me find it. I've got this one that says plan next week, and then I've got this for editing. So let's go in. I'm going to do planning sesh. Let me do one of these on top first, though. I just want to kind of layer it a little bit. There we go. It's just a little computer from Pretty Pink Co. And the text here for planning sesh. Just like that right there. It goes straight to the bend of the book, but that works just fine. Okay, other things that I need to put down. I do want to do a next week right here. Let's just do that. And I'll use one more, because I don't really do a lot on Sundays, honestly, anymore. I really don't. I have one more little checklist where I can just kind of, Sunday night, I can kind of prep for the week or the next day or whatever, you know. But let's see, there we go. So I'm just going to put this right here. Okay. All right. Then right here, I'm going to use this. It just says plan next week. So I'm just going to put that right here at the top. Really cute. Not using it for anything other than just the sticker that it is. So I can put that away. Now, I do have, let's see, it's the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I definitely will need to mark a doctor appointment. So that'll be good. All right, on Thursdays, that's the days that I usually use for Izzy. So I'm just going to use this. It's bath time for her again, as usual. So let's just put this in there. Really cute little paws from Pretty Pink Co. Been trying to use as much of the Pretty Pink Co stuff as I can because I have so much of it, you know. Yeah. Okay, so Wednesday is self-care. So let's use this one, the larger one with the heart. And that's going to include, I need to change the sheets on my bed and wash some and that sort of thing. So I'm just going to do self-care right here, like that. And then I'm going to use, let's see, I've got these little beds right here, so I'm just going to make a note to change the sheets, like that right there. And I can just put sheets right there, and that'll be fine. Okay, I do want to mark that I will probably spend a lot of this evening doing some YouTube. I want to use one of these on this spread, maybe another one, let's see. But I do want to mark my YouTube timing because I do try to on Thursdays. I take care of her and I just kind of take it easy. I don't do a whole lot on those days. Like that right there. And then I think I'll go in with, let's see, I don't have anything going on really. So let's go in and Saturday, let's see, I'm just going to go ahead and put in this one for Saturday. It's going to be pretty much another either Netflix or YouTube, but I'm just going to go ahead and put the YouTube button so that it's marked. And that way I can just put binge on those 2 days because I know for sure that Thursdays and Saturdays are going to be the days that I binge the most, if I had to guess. Let's go ahead and put a couple of these. This was a freebie from Pretty Pink Co. I'm just going to kind of try to decorate up here just a little bit. And let's go in with the hearts that are on here. That right there, and I can just put anything really there that I think I might want. I don't think I'm going to use anything else, and I think I've put down just about everything else that I need to. The only thing I still have here on this is pay bills, payday, and appointment, and I don't have that situation at any time this week. Let me just pull this heart up and let me put it right here. I think that I want to just go decorative with it. You know what I mean? So let's do that. And let's go in with more, maybe 2 more of these. Just to make it look pretty. Let's see here. Where can we go with it though? Let's go with this one here. And then we'll go in with another up here on Friday to kind of separate my morning to-do list from my evening out. So yeah, okay guys. I mean, I just love it. It's so pretty and it's so sparkly. That foil is gorgeous. All these shops, Sweet Belle XO, Pretty Pink Co., just My Newest Addiction, Rose Colored Days, Spotted Gum, obviously. Their foils are just, they're impeccable. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. I did jump around, but that's sort of the way that I do because my brain is not organized. Therefore, I have to just put stuff down as I think about it, and then I go back and, you know, try to bring myself and regroup, you know? So yeah, that's going to be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me plan for the week. I sort of do some of the similar things each week, but this week I wanted to just be straightforward with this newest one-page kit I got from Spotted Gum, and to pull in some of these things that, you know, like the Giving Girl and that sort of stuff, that these little bowstring boxes that match the colors. I think it's just so pretty together, and I wanted to make it extra girly and feminine and that sort of thing by adding the little lace trim and that sort of thing. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you're new and you have not subscribed yet, please do that on the way out. I'd love to have you join our family here on YouTube. That's going to be it, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later.